Good evening. Let's start with subject public speaking and creative writing, and our subtitle is communication skills. What is public speaking? Speaking to a group and structured communication, it means is speaking to a group of people in a structured, deliberate manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain the listeners. Second, what is the purpose of public speaking? Firstly, inform, persuade, and entertain. It means simply transmitting information to motivating people to act or simply telling a story. Next, the type of public speaking. There are three types of public speaking. It's important types. Firstly, informative, persuasive, and third one is entertaining. Informative speaking, it gives knowledge and explain topics. An example is seminars and presentation. It means when a person gives a speech before an audience to impart information on a particular topic or issues, it's said to be an informative speech. Example of informative speech is business presentation in colleges presentation and seminars in colleges, etc. Second one, persuasive speaking influences options and convince audience, and its example is sales. It means persuasive speeches are those where one tries to persuade or convince a group of people. These speeches aims to influence and change the opinion of the audience. Example of persuasive public speaking is persuasive speeches are most commonly used by sales and marketing people to promote a product or services. Third one is entertaining speaking. It means entertaining speeches are those where one tries to commemorate or humor the listeners, and the speaker makes them happy through jokes and short stories, means use humors and engage audience. Its example of entertaining speaking is stand-up. Next, what is creative writing? Creative writing means imagination, writing, and original idea. It means, as the name suggests, creative writing is a form of writing that goes beyond the traditional realms of normals, professional, academics, or technical form of writing. There are two types of creative writing is fiction and non-fiction. These are the two fields of creative writing. It means forms of creative writing. Example, poetry, prose, playwriting, and journalism. It means in an academic setting, creative writing is typically divided into fiction, poetry, or script writing classes with a focus on writing in an original style, not defined by pre-existing structures and genres. Creative writing in academics is fiction, poetry, script writing, focus, creativity, and style. Okay, the conclusion of the public speaking and creative writing. Public speaking is confidence and creative writing is imagination, so both improves communications. Okay, thank you guys.